Welcome to a quick tour of Catalyst, the abstract management software from Omnipress. In this demo, we'll start from the perspective of a submitter, beginning with what they see after clicking Submit Abstract on your website. From there, we'll also explore features designed for reviewers and event administrators to give you a full picture of how Catalyst supports the entire submission and review process. Right now, we're on the landing page that submitters see first. This page includes your event's guidelines, requirements, and deadlines, along with any other information you want to feature. You can also include a custom banner here to showcase your event branding. After reviewing the details, I'm ready to get started. I click Sign In, Create Account, which takes me to the Catalyst login screen. Returning users can log in with their existing credentials. New users can create an account by entering their email, creating a password, and filling in their name. Once I log in, I'll see any submissions I've already started or completed. If I'm starting fresh, I'll just click New Submission. Event administrators can set rules to help minimize incomplete submissions. For example, you might limit how many proposals a user can submit or require them to finish one submission before starting another. Before we dive into specific features, it's helpful to know that nearly every part of the Catalyst submission process is customizable. When you work with Omnipress, a dedicated project manager helps configure your site based on your event's requirements. You decide how many steps to include, what questions to ask, and what rules or restrictions to apply. Your project manager brings extensive experience and can share best practices to help guide your setup. Now, let's go over some of the submission features in Catalyst. In this example, the process begins with a brief summary of the guidelines. Then we can move through several steps, including abstract details, supporting information, and author data, which also generates a preview of the author byline. The flexibility of Catalyst gives you full control over your submission requirements, helping you gather all the information you need. Along the way, you'll notice a range of field types: text fields, drop-downs, radio buttons, and more. Fields, requirements, and instructions can also update dynamically based on the submitter's responses. As a submitter, I can save my progress and return later to finish. But I can't complete the submission until all required fields are filled out. Catalyst provides clear visual indicators when something is missing, so nothing gets overlooked. Now let's switch to the reviewer's perspective. As an admin, you can assign reviewers to submissions, either manually or automatically. Once I've been assigned as a reviewer, I log in to see a list of all submissions waiting for my review, including their current status. When I click a title, I'm taken directly to the review screen. Just like the submission process, every part of the review workflow is configurable, including the questions you ask, the field types, how scores are calculated, and how many steps are involved. As a reviewer, I can view the full submission, disclose any conflicts of interest, and provide scores, comments, and feedback. Catalyst supports both submitter-facing and internal-only comments, along with the ability to run multiple rounds of both submissions and reviews if needed. Catalyst includes a role-based dashboard that gives every user a personalized snapshot of their activity. Submitters can easily track the status of their submissions. Reviewers see all of their assigned reviews and where each one stands. Everyone sees important dates and deadlines at a glance. For event administrators, the dashboard provides a real-time overview of submission volume, review progress, and other key metrics, making it easier to stay on top of everything in one place. Let's explore a few tools available to event administrators in Catalyst. In this example, we're working in a sample event called Expo 360. Within that event, I can manage multiple collections, such as abstracts, award applications, or special sessions, each tracked separately. From the admin dashboard, I can run any standard report or build custom reports using submission and review data. I can also create and schedule targeted email messages to submitters and reviewers. For example, I might send a reminder to anyone with an incomplete submission. Send messages right away or schedule them to go out later. When an email is based on a report, Catalyst automatically runs the latest version of that report before sending. So your message always reflects up-to-date information and data. Once submissions have been reviewed and accepted, I can build my conference schedule directly within Catalyst. I can add rooms, create functions like breakout sessions or lunches, and place accepted presentations into each slot. Built-in conflict detection helps ensure that rooms and speakers aren't double booked, and that transitions between sessions are smooth. Once your schedule is finalized, you can publish it directly to the Omnipress virtual event platform or mobile event app. What we've shown here is just a preview. Catalyst is a flexible, powerful system that can be configured for a wide range of event types and workflows. If you'd like to learn more, reach out to your Omnipress account manager or email us at justask@omnipress.com to request a personalized demo. Omnipress, we help you deliver education.